Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Pilot battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and some terminal cleaner. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. These simple precautions are crucial before you begin any work under the hood. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating the battery under the hood of your Honda Pilot. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is a critical safety step. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which typically secures the battery in its tray. You can now carefully lift out the old battery. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly with your battery brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable. Ensure both connections are very tight. You're almost done. Double-check that both the positive and negative terminal connections are extremely tight and secure. Apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and extends battery life. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling facility, never just throw it away. Finally, start your Honda Pilot to confirm everything is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.